Hey buddy, today in this video we're making garlic Parmesan chicken breasts in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 2 chicken breasts and we have here 2 eggs. We're going to beat up the 2 eggs. Just going to beat it up real quick. Okay, it's nicely blended. We're going to put this to the side. We need some breadcrumbs, progressive breadcrumbs, garlic and herb. And we need a half a cup. Okay, that's a half a cup. We need a half cup of Parmesan cheese. This is Parmesan and Romano from Kraft. So we need a half a cup of it. There you go. Then we're going to take a fork and mix in the breadcrumbs and the grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure it's nicely blended in. Okay, the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese is nicely mixed together. I'll put that to the side. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is season the chicken breast. We have here some sea salt. Let's sprinkle it on. Turn it over, same thing. Some garlic powder. Turn it over. Some onion powder. Some oregano. Some basil. And lastly, some black pepper. Okay, we're gonna dip it into the egg wash. Make sure to get a nice coating on it. Dip it into the breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese. There we go. That's one. Last one. Dip it into the egg. And dip it into the Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Here we go. The next thing what we're going to do is spray some cooking oil onto the chicken. Turn it over. Okay, turn it over. And now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going for 370 and start, and we'll be back once it's fully preheated. Okay, it's fully preheated. We're going to turn the time to 370. We're going to turn the time to 20 minutes, and let's put in the chicken. We're going to spray some cooking oil into the basket. Now we're going to put in the chicken. There we go. We're going to put it in for 370 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. And now we're going to flip it over. Looking good. Smells really good. I'm gonna turn it over and flip it over. These are really big pieces of chicken. There you go, it's flipped over. We're just gonna spray a little bit more cooking oil. And now we're gonna put it back in. And we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Look at that, looking great. Okay, let's check the temperature. Okay, it's well above 165 degrees. Let's take it out. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, let's cut it up. It's nice and crispy on the outside. Okay, this is what we have today. Garlic Parmesan chicken breast made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.